Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Pro Shield script from Konflict Studio into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around 18 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these two files. We just have to install them into our FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them over here, just like this. Now open the Throw Shield folder, go to Inventory Images, then copy these images from here, then paste them into your inventory script. So I'll be pasting it on my aux inventory, web, images, then paste them over here, just like this. So this is the documentation of the script over here, and these two are the dependency of the script. Just scroll down over here. Now we have to add the items on our aux inventory. So just copy this line of code from here, go to aux inventory, data, then weapons.lua. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now for other items, we need to paste them into our items.lua. So copy this line of code, go to items.lua. So I'll be pasting them over here. Now let's add the drone table. After that, again open the Throw Shield script, then go to config.lua. So this is a configuration of the script over here, and these are some basic configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. This is a configuration for shield variation. The default one is going to be for police. Over here you have multiple options for the shield like EMS, sheriff, FIB and more. And this is a configuration for tactical drone variation. The default one is going to be for regular. There are two more variations as well. You can configure it according to your preference. So I'll be keeping it default for now. These are the configuration for tactical drone, like the keybind to deploy the drone and cancelling the drone. There are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. By following this line of code, you can add the items on your police armory. This is the ace permission for Throw Shield. Through this permission, any staffs of the server can remove any deployed shield, and there are much more configurations shown in the documentation. You can easily go through and explore them. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the scripts in the server.cfg, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and these three are the items which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. First, let's use this tactical shield which is over here. When you use the item, it will come in hand like this, and you can throw it and place it wherever you want. So let's place it over here. It will deploy the shield like this, as you can see. And as we installed the police variant of the shield, it will look like this. You can easily hide or take cover behind the shield, just like this, as you can see. Let's use our tactical shield drone. If you use it, it will come like this. To place the drone, we just need to press E. The drone has been placed now, and this is the tablet for the drone. Through this tablet, we can control the drone like this. As you can see, this is our character using the tablet. In the drone, we have night vision and thermal vision as well, as you can see. To deploy the drone's shield, we have to press E. So let's go and check out the drone. These are the tire marks over here, and the shield is deployed, as you can see. We can use this shield to take cover like this. And this is also the police variant of the shield which we have installed, as you can see. To get the drone back, we need to use our target eye, then click on remove shield. Same with this shield as well. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.